Imagine holding the future in the palm of your hand, a device so advanced, it feels like something out of a dream. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series isn't just a smartphone. It's a leap into the next generation of technology. From revolutionary cameras to mind-blowing performance, this lineup is designed to leave you speechless. But wait, before we dive into this journey of innovation, take a moment to support us. Your likes, shares, comments, and subscriptions mean the world to us. Together, let's explore the extraordinary. Welcome to the future. Let's begin. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series represents the pinnacle of innovation, showcasing Samsung's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology and diverse options for every type of user. The Galaxy S25 kicks off the lineup with a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display featuring a crisp 2340 by 1080 resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage, it ensures reliable performance for everyday tasks. Its triple-camera system, including a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, captures stunning photos and videos in 4K UHD. The Galaxy S25 Plus elevates the experience with its larger 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, an even higher resolution of 1440 by 3120, and the advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. With 12GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB and 512GB, this model is perfect for those requiring powerful multitasking and ample space. The camera system includes a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, ensuring professional quality photography. A 4900 mAh battery with 45W wired charging and to wireless charging ensures extended use without compromise. At the top of the series, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers an unparalleled flagship experience. Its massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display, featuring an ultra-sharp 1440x3120+ resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, provides an immersive visual experience. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is paired with RAM options of up to 16GB and storage capacities reaching an impressive 1TB. The camera setup is revolutionary, boasting a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, setting a new standard in smartphone photography. The Galaxy S25 Slim rounds out the lineup, offering a sleek and portable option for those seeking style and substance. Its 6.7-inch OLED display delivers stunning visuals with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 and a 120Hz refresh rate. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 8GB of RAM, and storage options of up to 512GB, it ensures smooth performance. The camera system includes a 12MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, delivering exceptional photo and video quality. Its battery, estimated between 4700 mAh and 5000 mAh, supports long-lasting usage and efficient charging technologies. With its diverse range of models, from compact powerhouses to ultra-flagship devices, the Galaxy S25 series sets a new benchmark in smartphone innovation. Whether you value portability, performance, or premium features, there's a Galaxy S25 model designed for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned for the latest innovations. See you next time.